But the energy frequency, I'll just tell about how energies are there. Highest energies will be there if a child is meditating in the under the womb, mother womb. If the mother is meditating at the time, the child, baby inside the mother womb automatically gets some meditation vibrations. From the 6 months to 9 months, until the baby comes out. Usually, that's a for a baby, it is a garbha naraka they call. That means the womb, hell of the whole womb. Okay, they feel uneasiness. They cannot move everything. Normal babies, I'm talking. But the mother is meditating. The mother is feeling the smile. As just now Chandrakala was sharing, all the day I'm having the smiling vibration. If a mother is can have a smiling vibration or blissful vibration throughout the day, what happens inside the womb also, the child will not feel any uneasiness. The child starts feeling happiness and bliss, and the child starts meditating in the womb. The moment child starts meditating in the womb, that's the fastest way in the human. The human consciousness evolves very fast in the womb. Okay, if the mother is providing the meditative vibrations, positive vibrations. Otherwise, if the child is already advanced for many incarnations, also the uh, child has doing meditation, has been doing meditation, then automatically when the mother is conceived, the child automatically without mother in this incarnation, if the mother doesn't know the meditation also, mother feels blissful. The moment she closes her eyes and she opens her eyes, whatever she is doing, she feels somehow the child is giving me bliss. No, she knows that. Many mothers experiences that whenever the child already evolved child is in their own. Okay. Otherwise, like it's like both together, combined together. If the mother is evolved, if or the child is evolved, anyone is evolved, the child who is going to come is going to be a brilliant and amazing child, a complete. They'll be changing the face of the earth. So Sripada Sri Vallabha, at the age of 6 months, okay, he's such a genius that at the age of 6 months, he knows entire thing about the entire universe. So that kind of the bright genius kind of a children, enlightened children will be coming. Okay, so in this, that's the best thing. And next thing is first 3 years is second best thing. First 3 years, at the time, first 3 years the babies will not do the meditation, cannot do, right? So mothers, they can make the baby sit in the lap, and mothers can do the meditation. So, but what happens is here in the current trend scenarios, the mother needs to be supported by all the family members. Or maid should be there, otherwise the elder should be there. Somebody needs to take care of the kitchen on rest of the things. Then only the mother should get the time for the meditation. That's important. First 3 years, okay. And next thing is 7 years, 3 to 7 years. That's also beautiful time. Next thing is 7 to 14. Next thing is 14 to 21. Okay, that's also beautiful time. If the teenage, at the time, if anybody can do meditation, that's also considered one of the fastest growth will happen. Okay, if they're able to, if they're having an interest towards meditation, they can spend the time in meditation. But otherwise, 21 to 21 to 28 is also beautiful period. 28 to 35 also beautiful period. But of course, everybody is occupied with other jobs and studies and everything. But those are all beautiful periods are there. And still, after that, again, consciousness is expanding. If the moment you're giving the time, it is expanding. And again, 55 to 120 is another golden period. Okay, then all of our tasks are, we settle down all the family works. We got more meditation time. Okay, so that's where we need to live for 120 years. For sadhana, we need to do more and more. We need to achieve go to the next levels, and we need to no, then maintain the health and utilize all the rest of the time. So 55 to 120 years. Okay, all meditators should retire not for 60, just 5 years voluntary retirement. Okay, if you're doing anything, but, retire early. Okay, if you can retire a little bit more faster time on them. If your children also should get settled, right? So like that. Okay, children till the children are 18 years or 21 years, you need to take care. Afterwards, you need to leave them aside. They are not your responsibility. They are you need to spend more time for meditation. Okay, they are not your children. They are not only your children. Remember, they are not only your children. Once they reach 18 or 21 years of age, that maturity age, then all of the universe is your children only. That's what we need to evolve. That's what our consciousness. After that, we need not to have any attachment. You need to, if there is any attachment, just observe that and expand your consciousness to the whole universe. Okay. So just wanted to say that one.